Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Coinbase account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Follow these simple steps to enable 2FA on your Coinbase account. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. On the website, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select settings. In the app, tap on the menu icon and go to settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the settings menu, find the security tab. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication and click on it. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of 2FA, typically via an authentication app or SMS. Step 4. Set up your chosen method. If you choose an authentication app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you opt for SMS, enter your phone number and verify by entering the code sent to you. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your 2FA method, make sure to save your changes. You may be required to enter a verification code to confirm the setup. Once completed, your account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Coinbase account. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.